Welcome to Rise to Greatness. My name is Emmanuel Ayeni, and I'm your host today on Rise to Greatness. And today we are going to be looking at Fiverr money secrets. Right here, I want to tell you something real quick about how to make lots of money on Fiverr as a successful freelancer, even in 2020. No matter where you're watching from, no matter where you are, it's very possible for you to make money and lots of money from Fiverr in 2020. So let's look at how can you make money on Fiverr? How can you make an extra $100 daily, weekly, or even monthly on Fiverr in 2020? First of all, you need to understand that Fiverr is a freelancing platform. It's a freelancing platform where you have, it's like a marketplace, like an exchange, where you have sellers and buyers coming together to be able to exchange services, what you call gigs. So you have gigs that are services that are rendered on Fiverr. So no matter what you do, you have an opportunity to be able to meet buyers who are interested in your service. If you're a website designer, you can have different services, like for instance, you can have Fiverr 3D animations, Fiverr 2D animations, Fiverr coaching gigs, Fiverr copywriting gigs, Fiverr writing gigs. If you want to make money on Fiverr, you need to have a gig setup. A gig is a service that you offer to buyers on Fiverr. And most of these services or gigs start from $5. Of course, it's important to know that you are not limited to $5, but you can start from $5 and go to $10 and upward. So you even have some gigs that are exchanging for about $100, $50, $100, and $1,000. So there are gigs of up to $1,000. And on Fiverr, you have three categories. You have three types of levels of buyers or levels of sellers. As a freelancer, you are a seller on Fiverr. You have level 1, you have level 2, you have level 3. So there are privileges attached to each of these levels. There are privileges attached to these levels. And you also need to note that for level 1, you need to move to level 2. For level 1, you are entitled to 7 gigs. That means you can offer 7 different services. And also, from having 7 gigs rather, you are also able to have a lot of what? You are able to have input from buyer requests. That is, you can open your buyer request, there you can see what buyers are requesting, and then you can easily apply for some of this. Another interesting thing is, for you to move to level 2, you must be able to have 0 warnings in 30 days. You must be able to finish 60 days with no level, and then you move from no level after you've been able to earn a sum of $400. So if it takes you 60 days, it takes you 90 days. Once you are able to meet all these specifications and requirements, and you get to $400 in income level, you are able to move to level 1 seller. Congratulations! Now you are a level 1 seller. So at level 1, you have all the benefits, and for you to move to level 2 from level 1, you need to be able to get to the $2,000 income. So that's how it works regarding the level system. You have a level 1, level 2, level 3. That's no levels: level 1, level 2, level 3 seller. And also the gigs you offer on Fiverr, you have 3 packages. You have the basic, you have the standard, and you also have the premium. So the premium package, that's a premium 3 entry levels or 3 price points, which is very important for you to note. So let's look at a real quick scenario of how you can earn a minimum of $100 even on Fiverr. So just imagine that you have a gig, for instance, a writing gig that sells for $10 or $20. So if you have 5 of those writing gigs, that's $100, and you can have this in 1 day, in 2 days, in 1 week, or a month, depending on what you do. Or if you are able to go through our Fiverr Money Secrets masterclass, you learn how to be able to apply SEO. You need to apply SEO in positioning your gigs so that you create top ranking or high ranking gigs on Fiverr, so that you are discoverable. You come up in the first page. You learn how to come up in the first page on Fiverr. And once you learn how to come up with how to rank up in the first page, the top page of Fiverr, then you are able to receive more orders, because the more orders you receive, the more earnings you make. Now, let me know that Fiverr also has charges. Fiverr charges you 20% of your earnings. Fiverr charges you 20% of your earnings. So if you make $5, Fiverr takes $1, and then you are paid $4 to your account. And you can also make so much money as $1,000. Fiverr takes away 20% of that, which is $200. So you get to withdraw $800. So Fiverr is really a wonderful marketplace. In the coming videos, I'm going to be sharing strategies and tips on how to position yourself on Fiverr to make more money on Fiverr. And in the next class, now Fiverr copywriting class, I take a deep dive where I go further in showing you how you can really make more money on Fiverr from the Fiverr platform. So in the next session, I'm going to share with you some mistakes I made when I started on Fiverr before I got new knowledge that positioned me to be able to make so much more Fiverr. So if you are watching for the first time, if you are on my site on my channel for the first time, I want you to please click down below here. You have the subscribe button. It will be very great if you can hit the subscribe button. I will appreciate that. And if you found value, why not share this with friends, and then so you can be notified as well when I churn out the next set of videos. Bye for now. Bye bye.